Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
What's up, y'all? I'm your boy Jay Wayne, you know, the Scout King, and welcome to London Session. Look, GBPUSD is on the move, all right? I'm thinking 50 something pips, 60, but who cares? You know what I mean? We know how to find our areas, our targets. And if this is your first time tuning into my videos, I've been doing this for about 9 to 10 years. I have an incredible a journey, a testimony. I don't call it a story. I call it a testimony. I'll put a link up here in the description for you to, check out my journey. But I've been doing this for a while now, and I'm trying to empower you guys to get your time freedom back and start empowering people around you, your homies, your cousins, your aunties. Empower them to learn how to get this forex money, learn this skill set. All right. Now, this video that I'm making here in London Session. This is a continuation of my last video where I marked up and showed you how I found this trade setup. All right. Now I'm taking you through my journey and how to get this money. You feel me? How to get these entries and my mindset behind it. All right. So let's get into it. So here we got GBPUSD on the chart. This is the 1 hour time frame. All right. You can see that down here, 1 hour time frame. In the video, like I said, I wanted to get in at around this area right here. Okay. That's where I deemed the pullback area. But I ain't gonna even lie to you, man, seeing that it dropped right here, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take an entry right here on this pullback area right here. All right, so that's pretty much what price action is looking like. Here's a caveat: it might pull back. I'm not sure, but this is what I'm looking at. We are now in New York session, 7:51, and price is making some decent amount of movement. This is not like, all right, so let me just tell you, if I came in this situation with a scalping mindset, this would be all that I need. All right, because this is like $4,000 for me. All right, this is like $4,000. That's plenty enough money. People's barely getting that in a month. So for me to have that in one day, in one trade, that's beautiful. Scalping is beautiful like that. All right. So, but here's the thing. I know I'm usually scalping, and I'm actually doing a series where I'm scalping my way to glory. That means I'm growing my trading account as far as I can go scalping this whole entire year. But I saw this as an opportunity for a bigger trade. And I usually get trades like this maybe 1 or twice a year. But for the most part, I'm scalping all year long. I don't think that it's just going to just take off like this. It might, because I didn't seen GU do it. Yeah, look at these big push-ups, these big bullish engulfing candlesticks. So it can do it. It can definitely just drop. I don't know if it's ready. So we'll see. But we in 4,000 profit. But I'm gonna hold it. I want to take profits so bad. You know what I'm saying? I want to take profits so bad because that's what I'm accustomed to doing. But I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna show you how to be disciplined, how to stick to the plan. I'm gonna be a leader. All right. But in a typical situation, I'll be out of this trade with $4,000 and I'm good to go. See y'all tomorrow. You feel me? So anyways, we in a little bit of profit, but it might pull back. It might drop. We'll see. All right, guys. So I'm seeing something on GJ and I want to take an entry on this pair. All right. So GJ is dropping with GU. Sometimes they don't move the same, but right now they're looking the same. And plus, look at this MACD highs crossing through on a 1 hour chart. So it's breaking through the histogram. So that's just showing me that it got room to break through. So this is where I want to enter in at at 192.974. All right. So that's going to be my entry. And again, this is another swing trade. Like, this is not me scalping. Like, I'm looking to hold this thing probably to like right here, because I see price wicking out right here. You see these wicks right here. So price ends up dropping. You know, I don't know how this gonna work out, but you got to start looking at taking parcels, taking profit right up in this area right here. So yeah, we looking at two trades. We looking at probably like almost a $20,000 day, maybe $15,000 day. All right. So yeah, so I like this because look at this. You got these wicks up here, price rejecting up there. Buyers try to kick in right here, but look at this. The buyers try to kick in right here, but they couldn't. Left us this wick right there. So, and then, you know, this is just me reading the structure. So then it looked like it's going to hold around a 50 right here. And it ends up coming up just to wick out again? Just to wick out again? Come on now. I'm taking you through my mindset of how I'm seeing this. Hopefully this will translate to what you're doing and you see similar scenarios like this. And then after all of that, we just drop. We drop. More wicks. If this ain't a sale, I don't know what is. The problem for you guys is some of you guys are not patient enough. You guys are not patient enough. You guys are rushing into these trades or you want them to work out quick. But these ones that everybody see in the world, these trades that everybody can identify as a sell, those don't go as fast. The ones that be tricky be the ones that be moving quicker, but everybody know that this is probably about to drop. And I've been noticing from the middle of last year till now, they don't drop as fast. It's a longer wait. They're trying to get people to get out of it. They're trying to get people to close them trades before they drop it, and only the strong survive. Only the people that got the most patience get the bag. Patience is action. Patience is action. Yeah, as you can see on the chart, I had to step away from the charts. I took a little nap, and your boy was heavily in drawdown. And what do you know? That area that I was looking at for that retest, that's kind of sloppy. But that area that I marked up in the last video, I don't know why I can't draw a line. Price came back up there. So this was all I could get from the where you saw the last clip. That was all I could get, but price ended up pulling back. So I was in some heavy drawdown. But that was money I was willing to lose. Now look at this, the Dixie pair right here. I thought price was going to fill this gap, but I guess not. We ended up breaking this structure right here. And look at this. Here, let me zoom in on that. Look at this MACD crossing up. So this is probably going to go up to this region right here. But I do think that price eventually wants to break back down to the downside and fill that gap. That's what I think. So maybe it might shoot up and then come back down. We'll see. But so far it's looking good for my sales. All right, guys. So GJ is not really moving. I'm in profit a little bit. I was probably up $4,000. As you can see, it dropped a decent amount, and GJ pays more pips. So I was about $4 or $5 grand right here. Yeah. So I'm just gonna hang tight, and a new candle is about to form now in about 30 seconds. So let's see what GU doing. Yeah. Meanwhile, GU is looking real good. Hey guys, hopefully you guys was able to be able to take advantage of this. subscribe, turn the notifications on. Don't miss these trades. All right. Don't miss these videos that I post and this education that I'm giving you. I'm really trying to help you guys win. All right. I'm for you guys. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. All right. So turn on the notifications. Don't miss these videos because I'm actually offering real value that can put money in your pockets, not just entertainment. I'm offering value, a skill set that will put money in your pockets. We in a New York session now, and listen, I gotta make a quick run to the store, but listen, I just got a text message from my cousin, and he said that, and he work in the government area, so he just told me that Trump froze. Let me see what he told me. He said Trump froze federal spending. Trump freezes federal spending. Have y'all heard about that? What is that going to do to the dollar? You know, is that going to shoot it up? If he freezes federal spending, is that going to shoot it up? Or is that going to drop it? You know what I mean? I don't know. Is that positive for us that he freezes federal spending? I know they hate it. Trump also passed a bill where the transgender people or the community is not going to be in the service. Now that might affect the dollar. That might make the dollar drop. I don't think that's good news. Even though some people may feel like it's good, but I don't think it might be good news for a lot of people. Like that might make the US dollar drop on the forex charts. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna see. But because of all of this is going on, I'm scalping going forward. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Bro, why is you so close to this car, bro?
Bro, hold up now.
Man, you is close to this car.
I'm not even that close.
Every time I get in this car, this guy is all up on the back. I'm trying to make it home. Out here in Texas, on Texas Highway, I'm trying to make it home safe. I'm trying to teach this boy how to make it home. You all up on this car butt, bro. If he stop, we getting hit, bro. On this truck. Look, I'm not playing. What do y'all think? Like, come on, man. Slow down, bro. Slow down. Come on. Bag up, bro. Bag up, bro.
I'm trying to get them MPGs, bro.
No, bag up, bro.
And the V8, bro, 19 is horrible.
There's no way. If he have to hit on his brakes, it's over. Like, we ain't got no time to stop. He got his license about a year ago, and he acted like he just got his license. 3 years ago? And he's still riding up on people's butts, man. Oh, my God. My foot be constantly hitting the fake brakes over here on the passenger side. Man, these kids. All right, guys, we finally got some action. This thing did not want to drop whatsoever. I mean, it dropped a little bit here, pulled back, and it still pulled back again. I mean, everybody should have had a chance to get up in this trade. GJ, on the other hand, look at that boy. That boy dropped perfectly. If you were not sure about this drop, that showed you right there. These wicks, after breaking through that 50, showed you that we were dropping. I'm telling you, the moral of the story of this is patience is action. I gave you guys the video about a day ago, and I told y'all what to look for. And today, it took about a day and a half for this to play out. Yeah, we growing that account. I'm going to close these trades out because I think that it's not going to go down anymore. All right. I snuck in AJ with about $1,400. That was a little scalp trade. I snuck it in because I saw the opportunity. But 16,888, that's not a bad day. Guys, look, this is the reason why I do not be playing with this market. Come on now. This had to drop more than this. It literally stopped right where I thought it would stop. Pretty much right in these areas right here. All right, look at that. See them wicks? That's where I thought that price would stop. It didn't come all the way down to my TP. But that's why I'm saying, like, okay, the main thing that you should care about is the stop loss. That's all you should care about in this whole situation. Take profit is the green area, stop loss. Okay, the stop loss is more important than the take profit because that's your risk, right? Okay. But the take profit part, you just trail price, or sometimes you have to get out of it because the market is done. You have a guess where it's going to go, but it don't have to go there. So you have to get out of that trade. You have to know and be skillful to get out of that trade when you need to. Imagine if I went to sleep or something, or went to the store and just try to let it play out. I mean, look, I'll be negative right now. And I promise you, this will probably be the last time for a long time that I hold a swing trade like that, or attempt to, because I could have scalped that, made my money, and been done with it. I ain't even have to go through no drawdown. I could have got plenty of sleep. You feel me? But I'm over here sleeping with one eye open, enduring all of this drawdown, enduring all of this just to, for price to drop. Guess what, team? Guess what? There's another pullback that I could have got in later on to capitalize on this drop. So I didn't even have to sit through the drawdown. That's why I scalped. That's why they call me the Scalp King. Now, some of y'all didn't hold this trade and you don't want to hold this trade and you want to scalp. So if you want to know my entire thought process around scalping and managing your risk and finding those pockets where the money live, then click the video on the screen right here. It's going to take you through the whole playlist of that, and you're going to love it. I guarantee you. All right. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.